Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Your post office savings account must be active and your mobile number must be registered. Once confirmed, gather Aadhaar, PAN, and a passport-style photo in JPG or PNG. Make sure your mobile receives OTPs and that you can log into the post office online portal or the designated mobile app. Start the application flow now. Selecting ATM/debit card request is the first actionable step. You must tap. You proceed to the application form, pick your account from the list, type the account number, and verify with the OTP sent to your registered mobile. Next, upload scanned Aadhaar, PAN, and the passport photo. Make sure each file meets size and format rules. Choose whether you want home delivery or branch pickup. Home delivery takes longer but is convenient. Once uploaded, review details carefully and submit the request. You'll receive a reference number and an estimated dispatch timeframe. You complete the process by paying the ATM card issuance fee using net banking, UPI, or a debit card. Confirm the payment receipt. After payment, track your request with the provided reference number. Typical delivery is 7 to 21 business days. If something goes wrong, like OTP not arriving or uploads failing, make sure your mobile is Aadhaar linked and retry using a different browser or device. If issues persist, contact your local post office with the reference number to resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.